All right, guys, we got 3 little burrito tortillas here. Burrito size tortillas. Okay, we got it rolled up. Got our pan right here, little muffin tin, okay? This is actually not a little one, it's a jumbo muffin tin. We're gonna take our rolled up burritos and just kind of place them in here and just take your scissors and level them off, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. Watch your fingers. Okay, we're gonna take these and kind of open them up a little bit. These tortillas are pretty fresh, so we want to make sure it's not quite sticking. We want to fill that muffin tin. We're making breakfast burrito muffins, okay? So pull this out of the way, get our eggs in there. 6 eggs, 1 for each cup, more or less. Just get them all broken down, mix them up a little bit, and then we're gonna start adding our goodies to this. 1/2 cup of already cooked chopped bacon, some ham, about 1/2 cup also, just regular cubed up ham. Got some cheddar jack cheese, save some for the top too. I got some hash browns that I already cooked up. So, whoa. Throw about 1/2 cup's worth in there too. Going with a couple tablespoons of some fire roasted green chilies. We're adding some flavor to this bad boy. Got my West Coast shake. I'll put a link in the comments. This is actually my own personal barbecue rub. I'll put a link in the comments if you want to get some. About 1/2 tablespoon or so. Don't go too crazy. And then just give this all a mix. Try to get everything nice and combined. Okay, looking good. Tell you what, you threw that in that greased frying pan, you'd have a hell of an omelet. Got our little tortillas here. Let's get our mix in the mix. Just pour the goodness over the top. Make sure it gets all in the nooks and crannies. Just gotta spread around in there. We did spray down this muffin tin. All right, I know it don't look like much right now, but trust the process. And you know we're gonna top it off with a little bit of cheese on top there. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this in a 350-degree oven, 20-25 minutes or so. Make sure that egg gets all the way cooked through, right? Golden brown and delicious, all that good stuff. I'll see you in a second. All right, team, there we go. Our little breakfast muffins, looking too good. I did have to run a knife around these. A little bit got stuck to it, but that's your little breakfast burrito muffin, right? So much flavor in there. We gotta get a bite. Team, this is everything you want in a breakfast. Little handy dandy thing. Now, sure, you could put the tortilla on the outside, but what fun is that? I want to make this. Baby, you know it's good.